To add your GoDaddy domain onto Vercel, first of all, open up both of these dashboards right here, and then on the GoDaddy dashboard, make sure to find the domain which you want to connect. In this case, this is going to be this one, so then click on Manage right here, or click on the DNS settings, better, right here under DNS Management. Once you have opened up this site, head back to Vercel, then select the project where you want to add your domain onto. So for me, this would be this one. Click on Domains right here, and then click on Add Domain. We will then basically have to input our domain name. So this would be this one right here. Insert this. You can also change the function if needed. Click on Save. And now we are basically going to receive DNS settings, which we will have to add inside GoDaddy. So you can click on Learn More right here, and you're then going to find all of the values which you will have to add. So in this case, I'm going to first of all delete all of the default ones right here, so that these don't interfere with our record. And once we did so, click on Add New Record, choose CNAME right here. As for the name, put in www, and as for the value, copy this from right here and then insert it. For the TTL, you can leave this as the default for now. Then, once you have successfully added this, repeat this process by adding an A record, put in an add, and as for the value / IP address, make sure to copy this from Vercel right here and save this. Now, this is then going to take some time to actually update, but after a couple of minutes or hours, you can then click on the refresh button right here, and this should then usually actually work. In this case, I think this even does work instantly, as you can see right here, but give it some time if it doesn't instantly work. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.